Hi mga Mima, Ate Roda is here, your simple guide sa SSS, Benefit at Adulting Guides. Before we start, please subscribe to support our channel. So sa video na ito, diretso tayo sa requirements para sa SSS Maternity Benefit Claim kung nakaranas ka ng miscarriage or emergency termination of pregnancy. Let's go! So requirements of SSS Maternity Benefit if ikaw ay miscarriage, number 1, medical certificate or clinical abstract or medical records mula sa hospital or attending physician na nagpapatunay ng miscarriage. Second requirements is ultrasound report before ka nakunan or pregnancy test result kung available pa. And number 3 is proof of miscarriage or emergency termination of pregnancy na inisyu ng hospital or doctor. Number 4 is OB history form from SSS na finilapan ng iyong OB. And lahat ng requirements ay dapat naka-certified through copy. So saan ba magpa-certified through copy? Kung saang hospital kayo kumuha ng requirements, doon din kayo magpa-certified through copy. Mga Mima, ganito ang itsura ng certified through copy ha. May nakasulat na certified through copy. Okay? Kung sakaling humingi ang SSS ng karagdagang supporting documents para sa verification ng iyong claim, mag-apply lang ng SSS maternity benefit with the additional requirements. Tandaan, case-to-case basis ang miscarriage. Kaya may mga pagkakataon na humihingi ang SSS ng additional documents depende sa dahilan o circumstances ng miscarriage. So make sure na meron ka ng enrolled disbursement account sa SSS tulad ng bank account or e-wallet or iba pang approved payment channel kung saan ipapadala ang iyong SSS maternity benefit. At iyan ang mga requirements para sa SSS maternity benefit claim due to miscarriage. Kung nakatulong ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at subscribe sa Ate Roda PH. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.